students, you are welcome to the today's lesson. And in previous lesson we have discussed about this partnership account and what is the appropriation account, what is the current account, what is the capital account we have seen. Now today we are going to discuss one question in partnerships. This is the second question. Okay, straight away we can get into this question. In question they says A, B, C are in partnership during the year of 2023, earned profit 83,000, right? A, B are entitled to 5% interest on their capital, right? That is, their capital is 60,000 and 100,000, while C has no capital and entitled to a salary of 12,000 per annum. Commission on to C is 3,000, right? His C ABC has brought into capital, partnership of capital, and C is not entitled to the he didn't bring any capital, but he is in active in partnership and he is running the business. So he is provided with the capital, no, sorry, he is provided with the salary and the commission as a rewards, right, for here service rendered. And reserve fund is 12,000. Reserve fund was made as 12,000. Drawings are A 10,000, B 9,000, C 13,000. Therefore, prepare the question is prepare P&L appropriation accounts and capital and current account. Okay. So first of all, we will see ABC in partnerships and during the year of 2023 earning a profit of 83,000, right? So we will take this to profit and loss account, appropriation account, right? Here we will say by profit and loss account, right? Right. So here we will say amount. Okay, amount, right? Right, amounts. Here amount, right? This is 83,000 brought in as a brought out capital. Okay. So second information is AB are entitled to 5% interest on their capital brought in. Capital account, right? Capital account to balance sheet. On capital account, A and B bringing 60 and 60,000 and 100,000, right? 60,000 and 100,000. Okay. So what happens is they are entitled for interest, right? Interest how much? 3,000. Interest on capital, right? Interest on capital. A and B, right? A 3,000, right? B is 5,000, right? Total is 8,000. Okay. 5% on 60,000 capital, 5% on 100,000 capital, right, on capital. So we have done this is a simple information they have given. Okay. And while C has no capital entitled to salary of 12,000, right? Here when you are doing the interest, here profit and loss appropriation account debited and credited to the what you call their account, partners capital current account, right? By balance brought forward, by balance brought forward is not available here, so we will say interest on capital, interest on capital, right? How much? A is 3,000, B is 5,000. There is no interest for C. Okay, understood? So profit and loss account appropriation, profit and loss appropriation account debit and credited to the partner's current account, right? So capital interest paid on capital, while C has no capital, entitled to salary of 12,000 per annum. Salaries, right? Salaries to C 12,000 per annum, right? 12,000, 12,000 per annum. It goes to current account also, salaries 12,000 to C, right? 12,000 to C. Reserve fund is 12,000. Commission, sorry, 12,000, and commission to C is 3,000. Commission to C, how much? 3,000. Commission to C is 3,000. Commission, right? Commission to C is 3,000. P&L appropriation account debit and credited to partners current account. Okay, so you know the double entries, and reserve fund is 12,000. Reserve fund, this 12,000. We have to make an appropriation for that, right? You can make an appropriation through appropriation account or appropriation account in the partnership account. In company's account, you used to do this reserve, make an adjustment for the reserve in profit and loss account, right? That is a difference. Okay, 12,000, and reserve fund account will be credited and it will go to the balance sheet, right? Here they haven't mentioned drawings or what you call the profit sharing ratio, right? They haven't mentioned any profit sharing ratio here. In the absence of profit sharing ratio detail, you have to share the profit and losses equally between the existing partners. Okay, so here 83,000 is the higher amount, so 83,000 you are balancing. Here we will say 83,000, right? Profit transfer, A, B, C. Okay. Here it is 20, 23, 35,000. 35,000. 35,000 means 48,000 here. 40. See how much is 20, 23, 25, 25, 33, 3, 4, 5. What is the thing? 4, 5, 8, 10, 10, 10, 13, 13, 13 and 2, 15, 15 and 23, 3 and 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 8, 83,000, 48,000. So you have to share the profit and loss between them equally, right? So 48,000 divided by 3, 1, right? 16,000, 16,000, right? 48,000, 16,000. They are sharing the profits 16,000, 16,000, 16,000. So here profits 16,000, 16,000 and 16,000, right? What is the balance? 20, 5, 1, 31,000 here. Here is 21,000. Here is 19,000, right? 19,000, 21,000 and 31,000, right? Here carried down balance is 19,000, 21,000 and 31,000, right? 19,000, 21,000 and 31,000 is the carried down balance. Brought forward balance 19,000, 21,000 and 31,000, right? Here carried down balance will be 60,000, 100,000. Here nothing. Here brought forward balance is 60,000 and 100,000. Okay. So this is the partner's capital partner profit and loss appropriation account. This is the profit and loss appropriation account. This is the partner's current account. This is the partner's capital account. This is a fixed account, right? This is a fixed. In fixed capital account means you will show all the things in capital, right? This is not a fixed, this is fluctuating. This is a fixed capital account method, right? In the fixed capital account method, the partnership, if you are maintaining the partnership accounts in the fixed capital account method, means there won't be a change in the capital accounts, right? Here you have seen, no, there is no change in the capital account. Capital is fixed. In that case, the current account will be partner's current account will be maintained, right? This is what partner's current account we are maintaining, right? Profit and loss appropriation account is common, but in the fixed account, partnership current account will appear. right? If you are preparing the capital account, fluctuation capital account, so partners capital account won't be there. The partners sorry, partners capital account will be there, partners current account won't be there. So okay, understood. So in next lesson we will be seeing the fluctuating capital account. Okay, so I hope you would have understood this. So I hope to meet you in next lesson. Thank you.